Welcome to Spring Vacation in Spain 2024. Day 1. After a bit of rest, we hit the streets to explore the city on foot, immersing ourselves in the charm of the old town, the labyrinthine alleys of the Gothic quarter, and the vibrant energy of Las Ramblas. And, of course, we can't resist the temptation of sampling some authentic tapas and enjoying a refreshing glass of sangria at a rooftop bar overlooking the city. Day 2. Exploring Barcelona's treasures. We kick off the day with a visit to the bustling Boqueria market, where the sights, sounds, and smells of fresh produce and local delicacies tantalize the senses. Next, we head to the legendary Camp Nou Stadium, home to FC Barcelona, to soak up the atmosphere of one of the world's most iconic soccer venues. Then, it's off to Casa Batlló, one of Antonio Gaudí's masterpieces, where we marvel at the whimsical architecture and innovative design. Afterward, we take a leisurely stroll along the beach, soaking in the Mediterranean sun and perhaps indulging in some mouth-watering paella. Day 3. Gaudí and Flamenco. Day 3 is dedicated to exploring the architectural wonders of Antonio Gaudí. We start with a visit to Park Güell, a whimsical park filled with colorful mosaics, quirky sculptures, and stunning panoramic views of the city. Then, it's on to La Sagrada Família, Gaudí's magnum opus and Barcelona's most iconic landmark. As the day comes to a close, we immerse ourselves in the passion and intensity of flamenco at a traditional performance held in the historic City Hall Center. With fiery footwork and soul-stirring music, it's an experience not to be missed. Day 4. Madrid Madness. Bid farewell to Barcelona as we board a 2-hour train journey to Madrid, the bustling capital of Spain. Eager to explore, we spend the afternoon wandering the city streets, taking in the grandeur of landmarks like the Royal Palace and the bustling energy of Puerta del Sol. As evening falls, we settle down for a leisurely dinner and drinks near Plaza de Mayor. Day 5. Exploring the Spanish capital. Today, we embark on a hop-on hop-off tour of Madrid, hopping off at key landmarks like the Royal Palace, the magnificent Plaza de España, and the serene Parque del Retiro. With a lively guide to entertain us, we delve into the history, culture, and hidden gems of the Spanish capital. On the second circle, we got out near the Royal Palace, explored a bit and then walked to the Botanical Garden and Parque del Retiro. Finish the evening at the 360 degrees view rooftop launch at the Rio Hotel. Day 6. Toledo's timeless charm. Venture out on a day trip to the ancient city of Toledo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located just an hour away from Madrid. As we wander the cobblestone streets and narrow alleys of this medieval marvel, we're transported back in time to a bygone era of knights, kings, and ancient traditions. Highlights of our visit include the majestic Toledo Cathedral, the imposing Alcazar Fortress, and the picturesque views from the city's historic walls. Toledo is a very walkable city with a lot of cool places to explore, great restaurants and amazing architecture. This could be a one-day or half-day trip. After a day of exploration, we return to Madrid in the evening, savoring one last taste of Spanish magic at Mercado de San Miguel, a bustling food market in the heart of Madrid. On the following morning, we'll begin our journey back to San Francisco. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable adventure.